Hey there, just wanted y'all to see the results here. Disclaimer, this is not my lawn. So this bag here, this bag treats 10,000 square feet. There's just a little bit left in there. As you can clearly see, this is not 10,000 square feet. Anyway, just wanted to show you all the results of over application of fertilizer, weed and feed, 3-in-1 application. Just may want to follow the directions when you buy that fertilizer. The Bermuda over here actually is not too bad. The video doesn't show the true color, but it actually does have this really dark, pretty color. But the St. Augustine, it's not doing so good. You see all the track marks here. Right there. Shoot, you can even see right here where she turned the corner. Right there too. So anyway, just make sure when you're applying fertilizer to your lawn that you read the directions. That's not from the fertilizer. There was a tree that was here. Anyway, this is what they call a burned lawn. It's how to be the embarrassment of the neighborhood right there. Hey, at least it matches the yellow bushes.